Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you the rules for my birthday challenge giveaway and what I am going to be giving away for that. So as you can see on my little board that I got here, I picked this up from Tuesday morning, and I will link those videos that I shared in the description box below, so check those out if you haven't seen those. But it's going to open today, March 8th, and it's going to end April 12th. So right before you guys need to have your taxes in, it's going to end. My birthday is on St. Patrick's Day, and I am also Irish, so that kind of goes hand in hand, I think. I will first show you guys what I'm going to be giving away for my birthday challenge giveaway. Well, all of it is coming from the Tuesday morning video. So we have some Maggie Holmes stickers. We have this super cute embossing folder. We have some Maggie Holmes clips. I'm sorry this big clip, or this price tag here is in the way. I have some Maggie Holmes ephemera. And this is what's on the back of it. It is from the Carousel collection. Have these that you can pop on a card or embellishment. They're like little shaker things in here. There's 2 of these. I have this Bow Bunny die that's super cute. It's like a Polaroid thing and a film strip, and then a smaller Polaroid right here with hello and some arrows. I have a Chasing Dreams 6x6 paper pad right here from Maggie Holmes. I have some embellishments right here from Maggie Holmes. I have some stickers, and I think I will be making some things as well to send out. This is open to US and international because, as you can see, all of this stuff I kept so that it could fit in a smaller box. So you do have to be 18 to enter this giveaway. Alright, so here are the rules. You have to be 18. It's open to international and US. So your entry into my giveaway, I would like a 4x6 banner piece, and this is what it would look like. 4 inches across, 6 inches down, and then cut out the banner piece. I obviously didn't decorate it. Any theme, I do not care what the theme is. On the back of this though, I would like your information. I don't care if you put it right on here or if you put it on like a something else, and make sure that it's completely glued down. I don't want it just like on a post-it. I want it like on here forever, so I know who made it. And if I ever have a question, then I'll know forever whoever made this. So just make sure that this is on here good, either writing it or putting a stamp or a sticker or whatever you guys, whatever you do, however you do it. And what I would like on there is, and I'll have all this in the description box too. On the back of the banner, I would like your email that you check. Don't worry, I'm not going to put you on any mailing list. This is just so I can contact you if you win. I'm not going to sign you up for anything, so I just need an email that you actually check. Your legal name, your YouTube name, your name on Instagram, if that's applicable to you, if you're on Instagram, and write on there if you did a video response or not. like write on there literally video response done. And if you didn't do a video response, then don't worry about that part at all. So this is the next part that I come to. So that's your entry into the birthday challenge giveaway. Now for extra points, they're all worth 1 point each. So for an extra point, you can send me a memory decks card, any theme. I don't have any memory dexes, and I really want to get into that, so any theme, doesn't matter. And then a crafter's choice. So I'm only going to be giving out 1 point for this. So if you want to do 2 memory dexes, then that would be 1 point for the memory decks and another point for crafter's choice. If you wanted to send me another banner, that would be 1 point for the entry and 1 point for crafter's choice, if that makes sense. If you wanted to send me like a little 3D box, then that would be considered your crafter's choice item. But if you send me 2 crafter's choice things, it's not going to be 2 points. It's just going to be 1 point. I hope that makes sense. It doesn't matter what that item is. It can be, I'm leaving this up to you guys. I just want to see what you guys create and make this as fun as possible. And then the last point you can get is going to be from the video response. And I would like it titled VR for video response. So VR for Mrs. Kathryn Marie's birthday challenge giveaway. And I'll have all of this down below so you don't have to remember it. And then email it to me and then leave the link in this video's comment section. Don't worry, I'm going to have that all down below. My favorite things that I like themes of things, in case you're wondering and you don't know anything about me, I love unicorns, I love coffee, I love eyelashes. I know that sounds weird, like you guys know what I'm talking about though, like eyelashes, and I love peacocks. I actually have a huge peacock on my tattoo on my leg, and I've made a couple of peacock projects here. I just love peacocks. And I've done a couple unicorn projects lately. I shared a couple unicorn notebooks recently that I just got. I love coffee. I need it every day to function. Oh, and I love mermaids too. So, and I mean, I love everything. I love watching things that you guys make. I love watching other YouTubers. I love everything, pretty much. As you can see, I love color. I just really want to have fun with this, and I want you guys to have fun too. So, I hope that you guys will enter. I hope that this is fun for you guys, and when I make some things for this, I will share with you guys what I've made. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys are going to enter, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me, and I'm just really grateful for everyone. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!